सो बेसिकली ये जो आने वाली क्लिप्स हैं वो सारे एक स्टार्टअप एंड बिजनेस इवेंट के हैं, जहाँ पे हम डायरेक्टली फाउंडर्स को पिच कर रहे थे कि आप कैसे अपने बिजनेस को। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम उनके वर्क फ्लो को समझ रहे थे, पूरे बिजनेस वर्क फ्लो को। देन उन्हें सजेस्ट कर रहे थे कि आप आपके बिजनेस में कहाँ एआई इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो एंड क्या क्या चीज़ें कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो पूरा। क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे एआई टूल्स के बारे में पता है, बट उन्हें नहीं पता, क्योंकि उनके पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता, मल्टीपल रीजंस। बट हम उनको प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे कि आप मार्केटिंग में कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, सेलिंग में कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में कैसे कर सकते हो, एंड मैनी थिंग्स। सो सारी सबकी क्लिप्स हैं। एंड उसके बाद में हम उन्हें सजेस्ट कर रहे थे आप कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद में कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो। एंड अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हो तो 100x सॉल्यूशंस आर देयर फॉर यू, जो आपकी हेल्प करेगी आपके बिजनेस में एआई इंटीग्रेट करने की। तो बेसिकली इफ़ यू वर्क विद अस, आपका एक सिंपल बिजनेस एआई ड्रिवन बिजनेस कहलाएगा। एंड देन ऑब्वियसली आप फंडिंग राउंड के लिए जा रहे हो या फिर स्केलिंग के लिए जा रहे हो, अगर आपके बिजनेस में दिखता है कि एआई ड्रिवन बिजनेस, तो ऑब्वियसली वो हर एक बंदे पे एक अच्छा इम्पैक्ट डालता है। तो काफ़ी अच्छे रेस्पॉन्स मिले, तो सारी वीडियोस की सारी क्लिप्स आपको मिल कंटिन्यू होने वाली हैं। सो एंजॉय ऑल वीडियोस एंड आप कमेंट्स में बताना आपको कौन सा पार्ट्स बढ़िया लगा एंड नया कंटेंट क्या चाहिए, आप क्या फेस करना चाह रहे हो, या फिर किस इंडस्ट्री में या पर्टिकुलर किस चीज़ में आपको एआई से रिलेटेड टूल्स के बारे में जानना है। सो या दैट्स इट।
To AI-driven businesses. So basically, there are a lot of tasks, manual tasks, which we can automate. Let's say, take example of your business. In your business, the main thing is marketing, right? If you get lots of people, even though let's say you get 1 lakh people, 10% will query you. Now your next question is that how right? So like if you are going to hire a marketing team, it takes maybe let's you have already idea if you are going to hire let's say minimum around 20 people. You are 1 lakh. No one is gone because risk is also to have marketing team, but we are not doing salary.
Hello.
For your business, what we do just sending emails, WhatsApp messages, and all over the Hyderabad to different people. On the behalf of you, they just a simple message where the product is mentioned. Let's say this browser is there, and these things are about this amount. Okay. Now, if anyone want to, let's say you get to 1 lakh people, they will contact back if we want to buy, where we can buy. And now your next question ki yaar, we are not able to reply all 10,000 people in 10,000. AI will do that also. They on the behalf of you, they just messages, simple good message. If you want to buy or want to know more about the product, come to our office or store. Here is our location and contact number. That's it. Now let's say at the worst case, 1 lakh emails you done, 10,000 will query you, or 1,000 if only 1% will convert it. There are lots of content. So from that we get proper data set in Excel sheet. According that we define that. So now I guess you get better. So that's all. Currently, like recently we launched, we all are from tech. So we not have such idea about on-field things. That's why we are here. We are just sitting and just learning what things are actually facing the ground floor. Exactly. So what's your name? My name is Gautam. I'm from Rajasthan.
I'm from Mumbai, but I'm not a decision maker. My decision maker and my boss will come after the 30 or 40 minutes or 1 hour later. So you can visit again here.
Okay, if I come again, I will definitely be sure. I give you my contact number.
Yes, yes. I have a small gift for you. Come after 1 hour. You can approach my boss and speak with him directly.
Definitely. Also, take my contact number if by chance I'm not available. On this website, there is a form, simple website, no more complex. When you open, you just find a free consultant link, click on that, you get a Google form. Just one paragraph is there to what commit with the AI. We analyze your business. We take a Google Meet where you can tell these things we want. We can work together on these things. Then we explain a complete process to how we are going to do. And currently I'm in Hyderabad, so we can offline marketing.
Shuchi Chocolates.
Okay.
So we are a premium chocolate brand based out of Hyderabad. We are the first artisanal chocolate brand in Hyderabad. We sell a very wide range of chocolates, confectionery, rajis, florentines, and a whole lot of patisserie breads, etc. One of the things that we offer is a lot of gifting options for corporates, weddings, events, etc. And other occasions.
It's on B2B or B2C both?
B2C and B2B. So we have a pretty large space in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, where you can taste all our products. We have over 40 Hyderabad based. We have over 40 different flavors of chocolates, and you can see a very wide range of gifting options here. So our gifting options start from 2,000 rupees all the way to 10,000 rupees. So you will notice that this is the box that was given to all the dignitaries yesterday on the stage. So this is the one that was given out to them.
So one more question. Whenever someone want to watch, is there any website or Amazon, Flipkart?
No, we're not on Amazon and Flipkart. We sell out of our store. So these are luxury brands.
So offline only?
Offline. So we have a pretty big store in Jubilee Hills. We will be online from next year. At this point, we are on offline
Okay, so
store.
you don't have any plans to go for online?
Next year we'll be on.
So right now you are just offline. So how many offline stores are there in Hyderabad?
We have one flagship store in Hyderabad.
In Jubilee.
In Jubilee Hills.
Okay. And then in Hyderabad, how many marketing and
Marketing and sales we're fine.
yeah. So which is this one?
This is a hazelnut fudge.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Hello everyone, I'm Pooja from Abhishan One. We have got all different collection on the gold foil. I'll just show you the concept. We have Jadao Gunda. You would get Amrapali concept with all different collections here. This is also onto mixing Amrapali. We have traditional chokers. These ones are also glass with Manakari. This is again a different concept. Hello. These ones are on the zircon stones. We have lots more collection on the earrings also, even that you can have. We have western earrings, traditional earrings. Here we have the traditional concept.